in and out. Shadows lurking, doubts never drown. Hearts torn in a sea crawling dark. Truth tastes bitter, leaves a scar. Rage and struggle etched on skin. Iron chains, the soul to win. Electric pulses through my veins. Faces haunt me, endless pain. Break the chains, breathe the ashes. Scream the pain till the madness crashes. Eyes of fire pierce the veil. In this storm, no calm to hail. Dreams in fragments, shattered glass. Echo silent through the past. Darkness dances, steals the light. Falling deeper, endless night. Torn apart, piece by piece. Falling cries, no release. Crushing waves, tearing us. Raging night breaks the trust. Break the chains, breathe the ashes. Scream the pain till the madness crashes. Eyes of fire pierce the veil. In this storm, no calm to hail. Break the chains, breathe the ashes. Scream the pain till the madness crashes. Eyes of fire pierce the veil. In this storm, no calm to hail. Break the chains, breathe the ashes. Scream the pain till the madness crashes. Eyes of fire pierce the veil. In this storm, no calm to hail. Break the chains, breathe the ashes. Scream the pain till the madness crashes. Eyes of fire pierce the veil. In this storm, no calm to hail. Drifts in fragments, shattered glass. Echo silent.